If you're an agency looking to scale your client campaigns efficiently, AdCreative AI is a powerful tool you need to know about. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AdCreative AI for your agency clients to create ads that convert, save time, and scale your business without spending hours on ad creatives. Stick around to the end because I've got an exclusive offer for you that you won't find anywhere else. AdCreative AI uses artificial intelligence to automatically generate high-converting ad creatives designed specifically for Facebook, Google, and other platforms. What makes this tool so valuable for agencies is its ability to quickly generate multiple variations of your client's ads, ensuring that you can test different formats, images, and copy with just a few clicks. One of the biggest challenges agency owners face is managing the creative workload for multiple clients. With AdCreative AI, you can significantly reduce the time spent on designing new ads. Simply input the details for your client's product, service, or brand, and AdCreative AI uses its AI engine to generate multiple ad variations. These ads are specifically optimized to match the best performing patterns across different platforms, meaning higher chances of conversion. For example, let's say you're running a Facebook ad campaign for a health supplement. Instead of manually designing each ad and worrying about its effectiveness, you can use AdCreative AI to create dozens of different variations in just minutes. The AI evaluates each design based on real-time data and past performance, ensuring your clients' ads are optimized to catch the attention of their target audience and drive conversions. But it's not just about generating ads. AdCreative AI also has tools that help you analyze their effectiveness. Once your ads are live, the AI can automatically suggest improvements, adjustments to images, copy, or even targeting parameters based on how well the ad is performing. This allows you to provide your clients with continuous optimization, something that is key for running successful ad campaigns. You'll also love how the software integrates with your existing workflows. AdCreative AI has an easy-to-use dashboard where you can manage multiple client accounts, track ad performance, and even make real-time adjustments on the fly. Everything you need is centralized, saving you time and reducing the need to switch between multiple tools. Here's the best part. As a marketing agency, you're able to offer AdCreative AI as a value-added service to your clients. You can provide them with a steady stream of high-performing ads without the need to bring on more designers or spend more time on manual work. This lets you scale your agency faster, delivering better results in less time. Now, if you're looking to try out AdCreative AI for your agency clients, you can start completely free with an exclusive offer I've linked in the description below. But here's the catch. You'll want to keep watching because I'm going to tell you how to unlock an extended free trial that you can only get from this video. So whether you're a small agency or a larger firm, AdCreative AI is a game changer for boosting your client campaigns, saving time, and scaling your business effortlessly. Don't miss out on the exclusive deal I've linked in the description below. Click it to get started with AdCreative AI today and supercharge your agency's ad creatives.